Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Anand Bora, Customer Success Manager at Moldex3D North America. I'm honored and privileged to be presenting Moldex3D 2022, What's New and Feature Highlights today on behalf of the North America team. Our outline for today, we'll review in Moldex3D 2022, new simulation capabilities and solver enhancements. We'll go over shrinkage, warpage developments, design optimization solutions, process updates in process gating and geometry, automation with APIs, machine suckback and sensor control VP switchover, mechanics add-on now included into warp. We look at other sections like composite manufacturing processes, wet RTM, LCM simulation, compression molding, meshing improvements, and other usability enhancements of pre and post-processing updates like CAD development and modeling wizard, user-defined menu, report wizard, job management, and measurement functions. We have added 188 new materials into the database, have 300 new machines being added, and 7 new machine interfaces being that are now available to you in the Moldex3D Studio environment. So that's a huge undertaking, a huge achievement. These are the 188 that we are able to share with you. As you know, we have our own lab in Taiwan, and we have measured many more than this, but these are the ones that we are able to share. Highlights wise, we have buckling analysis that was introduced in the 2021, and we have now nonlinear warp analysis that is being developed in 2022, and we'll be talking about those as well. New simulation capabilities and solver enhancements. Warpage improvements based on crystallinity, residual stresses, linear shrinkage predictions, and then design optimizations in process gate and part geometry thickness, enhanced APIs, flow pack support. We also have the 2.5D shell analysis now available starting 2022 in Moldex3D. First one, shrinkage rate for various cases using crystalline materials. So that's a significant improvement that has been done in using the improvements in the shrinkage and warpage results using the crystallinity data. Some improvements have been done using in that area.